Let A, B, and C represent the digits in the hundreds, tens, and one places, respectively, of a certain three-digit whole number. Let D, E, and F represent the digits in the hundreds, tens, and one places, respectively, of a different three-digit whole number. The positive difference between the two numbers is greater than 100. Which of the following inequalities must be true? So let's just pick numbers. We've talked about this several times. The great strategy when you're just dealing with variables is just pick numbers. It doesn't tell us any information about these numbers, so they can literally be any numbers that we want. It does not matter. So we are going to go ahead and use elimination in this scenario. Whenever it's logic based, it is often best to use elimination, and it's helpful in dealing with all variables that we have real numbers that we're dealing with. So that's what we're going to substitute in here. So B and E, these being a difference of one, we can see a scenario where these are the same, but we're still further than 100 digits apart. So the difference between B and E, we can logic that we can go ahead and eliminate G. We'll come back to F, which is A and D, which I think is going to be the correct answer here. For answer H, C and F could also be the same number, and we could still be 100 digits apart based on what A and D difference is. And so we're going to go ahead and eliminate H here. We could have also eliminated K when we eliminated G because it's also related to B and E. So A and D is going to be the determiner here of whether or not these numbers are 100 units apart. And one thing it says in the passage is that the whole number difference, or the positive difference, rather, I'm sorry. And the positive difference just means it doesn't matter which number is bigger. So if we're looking at answer J, it's saying that A has to be bigger than D, but answer F, either of the numbers could be bigger, and the positive difference. So it doesn't matter which way we do the letters or which one is bigger or smaller, the positive difference. And that's almost always going to mean, whenever you hear positive difference, it's almost always going to mean you're going to have an absolute value. So that leaves us with answer F, which is the correct answer.